Hello friends, welcome to Homoeopathic Letter. Today's topic of discussion is Agnus castus, Justice Verbenaceae family. So we discuss Agnus castus in 2 to 3 minutes. We will discuss all those important points of Agnus castus. Always remember, Agnus castus, all those complaints arises due to the abuse of sexual power, means due to the sexual loss or seminal fluid loss or sexual desire abuse. That's why all things are complaint arise. Okay, so let us discuss. First is the constitution, lymphatic constitution. Mind is the absent mind, reduced power. That's why always compression power is so low that read a sentence twice before he comprehend. So other drugs you should remember in this bracket, that is lyco, phosphoric acid and sepia. Phosphoric acid in its Allen keynote drug picture it is written, but lyco and sepia are not written, but you should remember because it is written in your bracket. Okay, now the old sinners means those people who having impotency and glit occur unmarried person suffering from nervous stability. Why this nervous stability happen? Because due to the abuse of sexual power or due to the loss of sexuality, there will be nervous system affected. Premature old age occur where in the young person they become what? Melancholic, apathetic, mental distraction, self-contempt occurs due to this. All things are arise due to the abuse of sexual power. Then complete impotency occur. Why? Because of the relaxation and the flaccidity of the genitalia. No sexual power or no desire is found. Other drugs of no sexual desire, that is caladium and selenium. Impotency after frequent attack of a gonorrhea. So you can remember in this way, Agnus there will be mind, absent mind, A for absent mind, G for suppressed gonorrhea, and G for suppressed gonorrhea, N for nervous stability. N is G is suppressed gonorrhea, N is nervous stability. Okay, so as well as there will be some bad effect of a suppressed gonorrhea like meadow. Okay, now we will discuss about the liquoria. In female system, what happens? Due to this sexual desire diminish, there will be liquoria occur, which is staining lean yellow, linen yellow. Other drugs are borax, like that. Here also linen becomes yellow. Okay, linen becomes yellow with imperceptible desire for very relaxed part. This line is important. As well as due to the mother is in mother, that is the baby when feeding occur, there will be suppression of milk occur. That's why the postpartum depression is developed. So mother will regret sadness and says she will die. Another important peculiar thing is that complaint of imaginary odor before nose, like hearing mocks. Mocks means the deer का जो swing होता है horn, that is mocks. Then another important, that is what acts in AIPGT, that is prevent expiration from walking. This last line is oftenly asked in your PGT or any competitive exam, that which drug having the prevents excretion from walking, that is our Agnus. Relationship of the Agnus, caladium, selenium like follows well after Agnus when sexual organ is impotency or weakness occurs. Thank you.